All right, here was our exit ticket from class the other day. We've got a sequence that starts going 3 and then 6 and then et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, and asks us to give a rule and then give a different rule and see if we can come up with recursive equations for it. So for the first one, I think one rule it could do is it just goes plus 3 each time. And so then it would go 3, 6, then plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So that's an arithmetic sequence. Another possible rule, it could be going times 2 each time. And then that would mean I go 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 24 times 2 is 48. That's a geometric sequence. So we have arithmetic, where it's going plus 3 each time. We have geometric, where it's going times 2 each time. On the arithmetic sequence, we would say that an is just the previous term, an minus 1 plus 3. For the geometric one, we'd say that gn is gn minus 1 times 2. I was looking at the exit tickets. Some of you were kind of putting the plus 3 too low. You were like making it look like it was part of the subscript down here. And we want to make sure that the subscript is below the line and the operation, the plus 3, is above the line. So what we're saying with the subscript is we're putting our terms in order. So we're saying the n minus 1 means the term that comes before term n. Just like A3 comes before A4 and A7 comes before A6, that little subscript just means what term, what order are we in, what position are we in the sequence. The plus 3 is on the main line because the plus 3 is saying take the answer from the previous term and then add 3 to it. If you put 3 down in the subscript, then you're looking at what is 3 terms later in the pattern. And looking 3 terms later in the pattern is different than adding 3 to a particular term. Okay? I do want to point out though that like these are not the only 2 possible answers. Like a sequence could go back and forth, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, etc. like this. That's a valid sequence. It's a pattern of numbers. It's well defined, all that good stuff. Or a sequence could go like this. It could go plus 3, then plus 4, then plus 5, then plus 6. That's also a valid sequence. But the ones that we're going to focus on the most in this unit are the arithmetic ones. So that's like how I did it on question 1. And then the geometric one. So arithmetic, adding, and geometric, multiplying. All right, let me know what questions you have. Thanks for watching.